Bitcoin's price rebounds. Overstock hits 1 million in Bitcoin sales. New trading platforms. Flexcoin's cyber theft and Japan's Mt. Gox investigation. Hello, I'm Jared Kenna and welcome back to Money and Tech. Remember to subscribe to our newsletter on moneyandtech.com to stay up to date with our latest video news. Now on to today's top headlines. After hovering in the $500 range for the past few days since the Mt. Gox crash, the price of Bitcoin saw a positive spike of over 15% yesterday, reaching as high as 710 on BitStamp before settling down in the upper 600s. This sudden increase shows that the community is ready to feel optimistic about the virtual currency again, as they gather together around a stronger focus on accountability and transparency in their response to the recent crisis. At the same time, Flexcoin, the self-proclaimed world's first Bitcoin bank, has shut down following a cyber theft on Sunday that cleaned out its entire hot wallet of more than 896 Bitcoins, worth over $600,000. Flexcoin has been able to identify the 2 Bitcoin addresses responsible for the theft and will, quote, attempt to work with law enforcement to trace the source of the hack. Thankfully, any customers with Bitcoins in Flexcoin's cold storage accounts have been assured their funds are still available and can be retrieved free of charge. ZeroBlock, a property of blockchain.info, today announced their acquisition of popular trading platform RTBTC, which has already facilitated over $150 million in trading volume across multiple exchanges. Now integrated into ZeroBlock, the newly rebranded ZeroBlock trading platform will become part of the product's Pro version for traders at $20 a month, offering them a suite of essential tools and advanced trading features, including mobile trading on iOS and Android, along with ZeroBlock's signature real-time market prices and news feed. Mexico will be getting the country's first digital currency exchange soon with newly formed Bitso, allowing traders to exchange Bitcoin with the Mexican peso. According to co-founder and CEO Pablo González de la Zay, Bitso is passionate about the future of Bitcoin and bringing to Mexico a safe, secure, and easy platform to trade and for remittance via this exciting new medium. A launch date hasn't been announced yet, but users are currently able to register on the Bitso website. Warren Buffett gave his diagnosis on Bitcoin in an interview with CNBC yesterday, saying that, quote, it does not meet the test of currency and that he wouldn't be surprised if it's not around in 10 or 20 years. Yale professor and Nobel laureate Robert Shiller also offered his thoughts in the New York Times, suggesting an alternative electronic money solution that he believes can do a better job of revolutionizing our current financial system. And Japanese authorities continue to investigate into the Mt. Gox collapse, but are still unsure of the cause or even which government body should handle the case. As Finance Minister Taro Aso said in a briefing yesterday, it's difficult to know whether there was a crime or a simple corporate failure. In the meantime, Japan's finance ministry and national tax agency are also looking at ways to govern future Bitcoin transactions, considering applying consumption and corporate taxes, despite the fact that the cryptocurrency is not even considered a legal currency in Japan. Overstock.com today announced that they have finally passed the 1 million mark in Bitcoin sales. Since first accepting the digital currency on January 9th, over 4,300 customers have paid for their products in Bitcoin. CEO Patrick Byrne says he is very pleased, yet surprised that they've, quote, hit this milestone so quickly. And Kickstarter also reached a milestone yesterday, surpassing $1 billion in total pledges on its site. Since its launch on April 28, 2009, more than 5.7 million people from 224 countries have pledged money to various crowdfunding projects, the majority going to gaming startups. And they've helped an impressive 40% of these projects reach their funding goals. Money and Tech also recently covered the Ripple Labs Developer Week closing events, including a panel discussion on building the payments web and a pitch contest where they awarded 1 million Ripples to the best ideas. See links to these videos and more information on today's headlines on our show notes at moneyandtech.com. I'm Jared Kenna, and this has been Money and Tech's Daily News Update.